Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL One 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Sound Recorder app and click on it. Now click on Allow in the pop-ups and choose this red button to start recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to delete your recording right away, click on this bin icon and tap on this card. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the track mark. Now name it however you want to and tap on save. As you can see, my recording is over here. In order to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it. Then click on this bin icon at the top and select delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!